What do you get in the box with your NOVA 3D resin printer? You get the nice machine. There's an instruction set, which also has a link to their own slicer software, although I think I'll be using the Cheeto box. Not much instruction set here. There's a lot of good videos on YouTube about using resin printers, so I would go reference that, but this will just show you how to get your machine up and running. Included in the package, there's an additional clear screen, a scraper tool, 12-volt power supply with the American plug set and European Chinese plug set. I guess they use this style probably in more parts of the world than they do the American plug set. This is probably a switching power supply, so basically just plug it in. It'll find its own voltage and frequency. You don't have to worry about switching voltages or anything. I get a standard little tool set along with the snippers, a filter for putting your resin back in the bottles, and a pair of nitrate gloves. I have ordered, I think, 50 of these filters, so they'll be coming separately. I have some gray resin and some white resin and green resin coming. This is actually my first resin printer, so I'll be making some more videos and we'll go through this whole thing together. There's little levers here to remove your tray. You got your up and down lead screw here, display with the controls, and there's actually a little pour spout here in the corner, which is nice. In the back you have your power supply connector, reset button, a USB, an Ethernet, and not sure what that is yet, so we'll figure that out together. Alright, I just wanted to show you a quick video of what you get in your box. Take care, people.